Standard 8, Subject English, Grammar, Topic, Type of Sentences. So, hello students. In the last lecture, I already taught you about type of sentences, which were assertive, interrogatives, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. But now I would like to go to the next two more topics, which is just connected to this, that is affirmative and negative sentence. So here let's get started. Let's start with the affirmative sentence. If a sentence does not have any negative word, is called as an affirmative sentence. So let's start with some sentences. She is literate lady. They will remember us. She is doubtful about her success. Everyone will deny that he is a criminal. Now you have seen this 4 sentences. So there is a rule that we can apply, and what is that is? First one, she is a literate lady. Literate is an adjective, so it has got an opposite word. So to make the sentence negative, you should use opposite words. So you can say it like this: she is not an illiterate lady. The same way, the second one, they will remember us. So to make the sentence negative, again use the opposite of remember, and that is forget. So now form a sentence, say like this: they will not forget us. Now we come to the third sentence. She is doubtful about her success. So again here, the opposite of doubtful is sure. But you have to use it like this: she is not sure about her success. So when you are using opposite words, the sentence can immediately change into negative sentences. But you need to use a word not. Not, no. These words can be used. Now we go to the next one. Everyone will deny that he is a criminal. Now here the opposite of deny is accept. So, and the opposite of everyone is no one. So you can say it like this: no one will accept that he is a criminal. So by using opposite words, you can easily transform the sentence from affirmative to negative. And the same system can be again used to make the sentence negative to affirmative by taking out the word not. So now we go to the next type of sentences. Now here if it is, now this sentence is a little bit different. Now here I am going to give you negative sentence and you need to do it affirmative. But there is a tip given for that. Now here if it says, there is no sense in what you say. So what you should be doing is, you can use certain words here. What are the words you know? Hardly, fail, refuse, reject, avoid, prohibit. These words can be used. So the sentence which is there is no sense in what you say. So you can say that there is hardly any sense in what you say. So you have used the word hardly. So next one's example is, he said he wouldn't go. Now the answer would be, he refused to go. So we are using these words. So please make a note of all these words which I am giving you. Hardly, fail, refuse, reject, avoid and prohibit. So I give one more example. Don't smoke. So you can say avoid smoking. Don't drink. Avoid drinking. Don't take drugs. Avoid taking drugs. Then when you go travel by the trains, you see it's given there smoking is strictly prohibited, right? So even this also can be used as a affirmative sentence. So you can see if it is said smoking is not allowed, so you can even say that smoking is prohibited. So in this way the sentences can be used by making use of these words which are given. So I would like you to practice the sentences. It's already given into your textbooks on page number 22. So you need to practice it and you can get good marks. Thank you.